Hey guys, I will be showing you my new fidget cube. Here it is. So right now I'm going to open it. Okay, there we go. Now let's see. Oh my goodness, that looks awesome. First of all, here's a switch. Very nice, I like that. Fun. Now here's a little joystick. Ooh. Now here's like a little ball and wheel section. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, a soothing pad. I like this one. This one feels really nice. Oh, that feels really nice. Ooh, push buttons. Oh, these two are silent and these two click. Oh, these three click. What else have I? Oh, I haven't shown this. A little spin pad. I like this. It's kind of satisfying. Ooh. So far, my favourite has to be the joystick because it's like you're playing a video game. Oh, here's just that wheel. Feels pretty nice. So the joystick. Second of all is the switch. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. I like this. It's so fidgety. This is so fun. I can just...